My brother's son. We have recently, I mean, I've not visited any doctor or anything, but yes, he's not speaking. He's 3.5 years old. He's not speaking. He's not able to recognize whenever we call him by his name, and eye contact. But otherwise, all other activities are okay. I mean, no digestive issue, no other issue. IQ level is also good.
Right.
We are confused. We went to a doctor, a speech therapist. He said he's a hyperactive baby. Then we had a online, assessment in which the doctor said he is autistic. So we are confused whether it's a autism or it's a ADHD or hyperactive. We are not able to identify.
So Rashmi, one thing to understand here, diagnosis will never tell you what is the reason behind it.
Okay.
Diagnoses are made on the symptoms. Okay. If you put some symptoms, it can fall into some category. You put other symptoms, it can fall into another category. Okay. Diagnosis will not tell you what is wrong with your child. Okay. Now, let's say he's hyperactive. Hyperactive, most of the time we have seen there's a fungal infection in the child.
No, but hyperactive means he'll never sit at a place. He'll keep on roaming here and there.
Inattention.
Yeah, inattention, but no other physical or mental or other issue. We were not able to identify for 3.5 years. Only the problem is when we call him by his name, he's not responding. Then we thought of
So that's a problem, right, Rashmi? That's a problem.
Right.
Right. So, I'm telling you, a diagnosis will not tell you what is wrong. Even somebody puts a diagnosis to a symptom, that is meant to change over a period of time because symptoms would vary. If today you make one diagnosis, tomorrow the diagnosis will change because symptoms would vary depending on the severity of the problem. Something will come down, something will improve. So don't look into the diagnosis only or start looking into the problem.